on, guys. So the motor's blown up in the wagon. Thought I'd take the motor out, do a manual conversion, make a video on it. So yeah, let's get into it. And starting on the inside.
Just getting this auto gear selector out so I can go in the bin.
Yeah, only pussies drive autos, eh?
Yeah. Honky dory.
Hunky dory. So I'm just starting on the tail shaft while Damo's up the top doing the rest. He probably don't care, but I'm showing his anyway. So this is how you take the tail shaft out. Oh motherfucker, wrong socket. I'll be back. Right, so we're back again. It wasn't a 19, it was an 18. So, try again, eh? Now, if Damo hasn't moved that fucking shifter into park or some shit, I'll be able to move this tail shaft. Yep, there we go. Alright, we'll go up the front now. Start on there. I'm just going to do the front end of the tail shaft now and then it should be out. But I think this exhaust is going to be in the way.
How are we, guys? Nothing's got the tail shaft out.
Not yet. Oh, fuck me. Oh, that's him. And that is how you take the tail shaft out.
That's him. Oh, hold up. Yeah. Nice. Oh.
Nice.
Done.
Dropping the cross member.
Nice.
Oh,
a good view.
fuck off. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, that was scary.
Nice, nice.
Pulling these fucking auto sensors out.
Sound a bit angry.
No, it's just fucking can't use me hoist. It's annoying because someone else has got their VL getting fucking done in there, so I've got to lay on the ground. Nothing.
What did you say about my shed?
My shed. Right. Just gonna lift the motor up and see what we missed. And then disconnect everything and then pull the motor out. Out the door. What, ain't we're getting video showing? Ah, look at that. That's how you pull an Ecotech motor out.
Oi. This is why you should never drink and pull motors out.
It's a bit hard to record and do this, guys.
Yeah, do you want me to hold it for the viewers?
This is Nico's jet. Get ready for a manual conversion. Hey Shelley, you might get a mention. Oh no! You can't take anyone around here. Wonder if that's going to make it or not. Transition of the socket.
Yeah.
Yep. It's a good looking socket. Whose is that? Alright guys, so in the Sleek Motorsport factory tonight we have a few special guests. Rick, just like to mention, this is Rick here. Hey guys, yep. So we're going to modify it.
You got to explain.
That will come later in the video. If it needs rings and bearings, you're laughing.
Show them how you laugh. When the motor's out.
Righto guys, we'll update you.
Right, Go up. Yeah, up. Up and back a little bit. Backing. Yeah, up. Oh, that's him there. Now, cameraman will jump in. Shit, spin it around. Grab that and take it.
Crikey.
Yeah, going down him. Just a headlight here.
Come on, Rick.
There we are. Right. Eco jet out. Righto, we've got the motor out.
All done.
Gonna clean all this up tomorrow.
Strip that motor. Get ready to put the. I'll need to put a rear main seal on that. And she's ready to be chucked in. And then get the tail shaft. What do you call it?
Shortened. Yeah.
And should be ready to go, hunky dory. So as you know, the motor was pulled out last night by me and a few of the boys. That's the old motor. I'm just stripping all the good pieces off it now. Still got a bit more to go, but there's the new motor. Need a new rear main seal for it, which I'm picking up tomorrow. There's the manual gearbox. Bit of a gay stick on it, but put a new one on it. And all the loom and tail shaft and all the other bits are in the back of the car. But yeah, once I get the rear main seal tomorrow, me and a few of the boys will start putting the motor back in. But with the tail shaft, it's out of a sedan, so yeah, I'm gonna have to get that shortened, which Dad will take to work, put it in the lathe, you know, make it all fit. But yeah, it should be pretty good.
Definitely not.
What are you doing, Sean?
Nah, it's putting a rear main seal in, bruh.
In what?
Eco jet.
Oh yeah. We've got Jake McDougall here with us today, helping us put the motor and manual conversion back in.
Yep.
You got anything for the viewers at home to say?
Like and subscribe. Here. Like and subscribe here.
Everyone listen to what Jake just said.
Like and subscribe and turn notifications on.
Guys, so the clutch is on, flywheel's on. Jake's just fixing up the throwout bearing and the fork, put some grease on the front there because it's got a bit of rust on it just to stop some squeak.
Yeah.
And we're going to get ready to lift the gearbox onto the back of the motor. So it's a lot easier just to slide the motor straight into the engine bay without getting underneath and obviously putting the box in. So you can watch us struggle trying to lift it and put it in on the back while this moves in the air, but we'll get it, so let's get into it. Hey Jake?
Yeah.
Ready to go back in, bruh?
Fuck yeah, bruh.
So guys, we got the motor and box back in. Jake's just taking the strap off. What's Damo doing?
Putting all your wiring on.
Oh yeah. Anyway, the motor's back in. Thought I'd update you a little bit. Oh. Yeah. Righto guys, the motor's in, gearbox is in, all the wirings are done, half done. Just need to hook the fuel up, engine mounts, pedal box, tail shaft, exhaust, you know, a few extras, but the main bit's done, the hard bit.
Yeah, so let's fiddle around with a few things and we'll start it up.
Yeah, so not too much longer now, so got it done pretty quick, which is good, but yeah.
Taking it to Hez when we're done, so
No,
stay tuned for that.
no, because we'll blow another motor. I don't really feel like doing another motor. But yeah, the pussy wagon will be back in action very shortly.
Fucking oath, fucking oath. So guys, bit of an update, we're back here again. Old Wayne's come back. So I've got everything on. Just about to put the exhaust on. Put the cross member on for the gearbox. Get everything done underneath. Nice.
He doesn't need any
Put all this in. Put that up. We need to do a bit of that wiring to get it started.
Yeah, I'm just lifting the gearbox at the moment. Same for that cross member. Works on the V-wire.
Yeah, nice.
Because it came out of the VX and I've done one before and I had to get a different cross member. But I'm hoping it works anyway. Otherwise I'm going to have to just weld the cunt to the...
Yeah. Anyway, we'll fiddle around with a few bits and pieces and we'll get back to you when we get it started.
So guys, I'm just under the car at the moment while Damo's up the top. Jack the gearbox up. About to put the cross member on. Line everything up. Then tail shaft. And then honky dory. I know joking guys, I only do things professionally around here. So I'm going to have to use yours. Which was send her home. Alright guys, that's the gearbox. All done. All up.
So, we're just getting this grommet out. There we go. Honky dory. So we're going to push that through there, bolt it up, and then we'll get the pedal in.
Hey.
Oi, what?
Hey guys.
So yeah, we'll give you a bit of an update in a minute, and we'll go from there. Honky dory. Right, so we got the third pedal here.
What's that for?
So this is what engages your clutch mechanism. So I'm going to be putting this in today. It's a bit of a kind of a job if you haven't done it before.
You haven't done it?
No, if you haven't done it before,
Oh, they're trying to get the V up in here, please.
you're going to get right up there. And if you can see up there, there's two little holes. Good if I had a light.
Do you want to go get one?
Yeah.
Oh, found a ball. Nice.
So, hope you can see it. Yeah, like that. Just hold it there because I'm going to have to push against it. Righto guys, we got that all done up. Just putting this on now. So,
Oh, the washing's done.
nice. So that's where that mounts if you want to know. Just do that back up. Nice and simple. Done. Right, I'll finish this pedal off and
Yeah, I don't know how that works.
yeah.
Never used a circuit like that before.
Righto. Have a look under here. Slide. Like that.
Got him.
So that's all done. Oath. What are we doing here?
Just putting the screw in to the terminals because the terminals are shit. So we can get a good power, bit of power.
We've got everything on. We've I'll show you this.
Yeah, explain that.
This is your auto wiring harness. So you need to bridge them two wires, blue and grey.
Because it thinks it's in
Blue and grey, which is the two N ones on this plug.
there.
Your car will not start if you put a manual in it.
Without
bridging
you're
them.
still using the auto loop.
Yeah. So if you want to be dodgy and use this auto loom, just bridge them. Otherwise it'll still think it's in dark. So we've done that. Save the start though. Got lights on the dash. He runs. Need to put them exhausts on.
How goes that?
Oh. Right, have a bite to eat and we'll rip in.
Show me our food.
Honky dory.
Hunky dory.
Oh yeah, what have we got?
Chickies off mummy.
Ooh. No. Righto.
Righto.
We'll be back.
Bunch. Oh, just dropped me fucking torch.
We're just here trying to split the tail shaft.
Because the two splines were different, so it won't
We
go on.
don't actually have a press, so we're using a bolt and some.
Oh, I'm in the garden. I can't even get anything to eat. I'm hungry. I'm working on this piece of shit. This dickhead's video.
So, what are we up to?
Dinner break.
Oh yeah.
Triple cheeseburger meal. Can't go wrong with it.
Yeah. So we got it running. Throwout bearing's a little bit noisy, but you know, get that on the big jobs. Clutch works. It is a bit noisy, but probably louder because nothing's there. But take it for a drive and see how she goes. Anyway, see you in a minute.
Something like brakes, bro. Maybe check them.
A bit.
See how you're going, but anyway, guys, that's the pussy wagon manual swapped. Runs like a dream.
Sounds a bit rough, but
A bit
oh well.
rough, but you know, she's done.
Nice. Righto. Righto, the pussy wagon's all finished. Drives. Manual, just need a surround. Oh well.
SleekMotorsportss.
If you want to grab yourself a sticker, head over to the website.
We'll have jumpers and all that good stuff out soon. But for now, we just got stickers up. If you want to go buy one on the website, put it on your car, tag us.
Yeah, make sure you grab one and tag us on Instagram or TikTok and we'll put up a video. But anyway, if you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, honky dory. Yeah.